Thomas. What is it?
Thomas and his friend.
His friend. Your mummy open it.
Open it.
Sorry. Very excited.
No, Ralph, open it.
Ralph open it.
Shall I get in there?
No, we just got up. We all slept in the bed. I told you to sleep in your room until I got in there.
Thomas and Toby.
Oh my goodness. What is this? Are you ready? Are you ready?
A tent.
Careful with the juice, Ash. Ashley.
Toby. No.
You want to go in? Ralphie, let me put it on the floor first.
Toby.
And look, you go inside, and it's a tent. Go inside. Hello, Ralph. Oh dear. Do you like it?
Yeah. Thomas and Percy.